What's up? My name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner breaking class where I teach you all the basic moves, steps, and techniques you need to know in order to break. In this footwork video, we're going to add the knee walk to our 6th step. Alright, so before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and you would like private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now so you can apply today and hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so in this video we will be using our 6 steps. So if you don't know how to do that yet, be sure to check out my previous tutorial I did on that before coming to this one. Alright, so for this one, all we're going to do is add a simple knee walk in between our 6th step, just to make our 6th step look a little bit longer, but in reality, we're still doing our basic 6th step, but we're just adding a couple moves to it. Okay, so I'm going to start to the front because I always start my 6th step from the front. So I'm going to start with my hook. I'm going to go counterclockwise. Okay, so starting with my right. This is my step 1. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is where my knee walk is going to come in. So traditionally with 6th step, I would take this step with my left. Okay, so for this one, all I'm going to do is I'm going to put my left knee down. And then from here, I'm going to walk over with my right knee down here. Okay, so it's up to you if you want to turn. For me, I like to turn just because it creates this natural little feeling of a twist. Okay, so from here again, I'm here. Again, instead of taking this step here, I'm going to put my left knee down and then put my right knee down. So you want to think left, right, left, right. Still applies with the original 6th step. Okay, so from here, now I'm going to kind of reset my body to do the back side of the 6th step again. So I'm going to step back, back, and back. And now I'm back into this frog stance, or the back of the 6th step. Okay, so you want to think almost like you're trying to repeat getting back to that back step. So if we started here, I would start left, right, left, right. And then from here, we can finish off a 6th step. Step, step, step. Okay, so let's try to put that together. So if you want to count it like stepwise, I'm actually doing 10 steps technically. Okay, so starting my 6th step, this is going 1, 2, 3, knee walk, 4, 5, back to 6th step, 7, 8, and back around. Okay, so let's try that again. So this is going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And again, now it's a cool move that you can actually use to kind of rotate yourself, because it's really up to you how far you want to rotate with this. Again, you can change your 6th step and turn it however you want. This is just a simple way to keep that rotation kind of going. Okay, so let's try that again. So I'm going with my right. It's going right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, so now let's try going the other way. So now we're going clockwise. So same thing applies. I'm still going left, right, left, right, left, right. That way you don't get confused. I'm going left, right, left. So now it's my right leg's turn. I'll put down my right knee first. Right knee, then my left knee follows. Left knee, then my right leg goes again. Right, then left. I'm back to my frog. And then I come all the way back to the front of my 6th step. Okay, so try that again. So this is 1, 2, 3, knee, knee, back to the back. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so now let's try going both ways just so you don't get confused. Okay, so all we're going to do is we're going to do our 6th step with the knee walk. We'll get to the front, we'll do a weight change, and we'll come back the other way. Okay, so with my right, I'm going right, left, right, knee walk, left, right, left, right, left, right. And I'm coming the other way, left, right, knee walk, right, left, right, and then go the other way, right, boom, 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 da, 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 switch, boom, 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 da, 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 switch. Alright, so another cool thing we can do with this is we could do in multiple knee walks if we wanted to in the same direction, right? So since we're starting from the back of our 6th step and we reset in the back of the 6th step after our knee walk, we can kind of keep that knee walk going, right? So if I start back here, I go knee walk, reset. Then I can do another one. Knee walk, reset. Knee walk, knee reset, knee walk. And then from here, you get to decide when you want to do a 6th step. So for example, I could go regular 6th step, knee walk, maybe I do 2 knee walks, and I go back to another 6th step, right? Other way, maybe I do a knee walk, finish my 6th step, right? Then I do it again, and I keep it going, right? So it's really an opportunity to be a little bit more creative and kind of interrupt your 6th step from you just having to do a constant 6th step the whole time. Alright, so before we jump into this with music, go ahead and do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also hit that bell so you're always notified when I drop videos just like this. Alright, so key takeaways with this one. Again, if you really think about it, you're still keeping the same pattern going, right? If you're going counterclockwise, right, left, right. So I'm still keeping that constant right, left pattern, or the opposite if I'm going the other way. And I'm just putting down my knees after I get to the back. And I do that little knee walk and resetting to the back. So again, it's up to you whenever you want to reset. You can keep doing the knee walk, right? Go back into your 6th step. You could even knee walk and then knee walk the other way. It's really up to you. It's a little cool little, I guess, little tech you can do to kind of like make it a little bit more interesting. Alright, so I'd love to see you practicing and training hard. So go ahead and post up a video and make sure to tag at Darren R. Wong. And I'll be sure to give you props and good things like that. Alright, so again, make sure you like this video and also comment down below what you liked about it, what you learned from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!